Everything seems normal, Mr. Hill.
Oh, great. Then I just need you to sign this Army form stating that, everything within reason has been done to ensure the proper health of said animal.
Everything hasn't been done, Mr. Hill. Sure, Duke looks normal, but I did not spend 4 extra years specializing in small animal treatment to just look. I want to do some more tests on Duke to make sure we don't miss anything.
This is a national emergency message. The following alert is transmitted by shelter animals who hacked the emergency alert system. It has come to the attention of house pets that animal shelters are overcrowded. This makes house pets very sad. As a reaction to the sadness, all television stations, radio stations and internet connections have been hacked. All of these media outlets will show footage of animals in shelters in need of loving homes. If you want TV, radio and internet people are required to do the following. Go to your nearest animal shelter and adopt a dog or cat. Make sure that they have plenty of love, kibble, treats, toys and a comfy place to sleep. Cats demand boxes to play in, dogs demand belly rubs, scree toys, walkies and rawhides. You are also required to get pets out of abusive houses and be placed in loving homes. All animal abusers must be sent to prisons. Failure to do so will result in severe punishment. Several Coca-Cola factories, beer breweries, pot farms and pot shops have been destroyed. Dogs and cats have already pooped in the shoes of politicians who refuse to improve animal welfare laws. You have 3 weeks to adopt shelter animals. Get to work immediately or you will find poop in your shoes. This message will repeat until all shelter animals are adopted.